Today I'm taking a look at the MUTUACTOR magnetic broom holder. That's cool. So it looks like we actually got two. Wow, these are very strong magnets. So these are rubber pads, which is great, so we don't have to worry about this scratching up anything, but these are very strong magnets, which is excellent because that is exactly what I was looking for. They're both female threaded, so if we want to, we could actually take this thing apart in the future and just use the magnet on there, use whatever length bolt that we want to. It does come with a couple of bolts. And then we've got this hook. It's got a nice rubber coating all the way around it, and it's got a little bend here on the end. So that way, if we put something in, we don't have to worry about it falling out the side because that bend is going to hold it in place. There's a handful of different holes in the back, which is kind of cool because if we wanted to, we could just screw this thing directly to the wall and use the magnet for something else. So I like the fact that they give us that adaptability. So all you have to do is choose one of these holes. I'm going to use the top one. That way gravity will work for me, and then thread that in. Cool. And if you want to make the overall hook a little bit stiffer, a little bit more rugged, then we use the lower hole. So what I want to use this for is because this lid is crooked because we got it hanging on by a strap. I was thinking we could stick that there. There we go. Yeah, that's much better. And now we can just take that thing off and drop it. And that holds it up no problem. Cool.